I will tell you how to make this collage without using any templates. Let's get started. Go to Create a Design and search for Collage. Click on Portrait Collage and it will give you a blank whiteboard with the size of a portrait. First of all, go to Elements and search Picture Frames with Borders. Then pick picture frames of your choice. For example, I'm choosing these ones. Adjust them in your own style and according to your preference. I will show you my collage style. Now search Shapes in the Elements section and choose a rectangle shape. Adjust it to cover the entire design. After that, right-click on the rectangle shape, go to Layers, and click on Send Backward. Then go to Colors and change its color to this one, guys. Now, go to Transparency and decrease its transparency a little bit. Bingo, like that, friend. Now, go to Uploads and upload the pictures you want to use in the collage. For example, I'm picking Cristiano Ronaldo's pictures. After that, I will add them into the picture frames. For example, I will add this one first to this picture frame. I will adjust it a little bit, friends. Now, again I will go to Uploads and pick another picture of Ronaldo. I will paste it into this frame. After that, I will go to Colors and change the border color of this frame from green to white. Like this, my viewers. After that, I will go to Uploads again and choose this Ronaldo picture for the last frame. And now, I will go to Colors and change its color from green to white, like this, viewers. I will adjust them a little bit because I want them to be perfect. After that, I will go to Text and choose this font. I will edit this font with new photoshoot and also change its color. Like this, viewers, I will choose white color. After that, I will go to Effects and choose Lift Effect to give it a shadow. Great! Bingo! After the effect, it looks attractive and visible. Got it! If you change its color to a lighter gray, yeah, now it's looking more attractive. Now I will right-click on Text and go to Layers. Select Send Backward, so your text is under the picture. It gives our collage a very catchy look. After that, I will pick this heading and write Ronaldo's bio in short form. Like this, viewers. Now I will adjust it very precisely and choose the font for this text as well. Great! Like that, viewers, our design is completed. Now, go to Share and download it in JPG format. Here is our final look. If you like my video, then share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.